Welcome to Weems Motor Co. And this is the Global Get Down at the Buffalo Chip, Sturgis 2025.
Folks, here we are, Sturgis, South Dakota for the Global Get Down. Now this is the very first time in Sturgis Buffalo Chip history where they have asked me, or anyone for that matter, to host a motorcycle show just for foreign brand motorcycles. And if you guys know me at the Weems Motor Co channel, you know that I love the rare, the different, the obscure brands from all across the globe. So today we are doing the Global Get Down right here at the Buffalo Chip. Got my good friend Jack, I got my other good friend Chase. You know them as Beeler.1203 and the Whiskey Chaser, so make sure you subscribe to their channels. Outside of that, let's go check out some bikes. Folks, here we are at the Buffalo Chip, hanging out at the Global Get Down Show, and this is one of our Buffalo Chip sponsors, J&P Cycles. The beautiful Claudia has come to represent today. So, question for you.
Yeah.
What has been the highlight of this year's Sturgis for you?
People watching.
Dude, there are
people watching.
There are the people to watch at Sturgis. Yeah. I tell you what, that's probably one of the highlights for me and my wife is coming to these events and just to see, like, we call them cosplay bikers.
Yeah, they come dressed up just for this.
Yeah, you know that, during the week they're a dentist, a lawyer, and they come here and they get to break out the fishnets. Yeah. They get to break out the leather gloves with the knuckles cut out of them.
Or the chaps, the little fishnet body suits.
Oh my gosh, it gets crazy. Yeah. So I am super excited that you guys wanted to come be a part of the Global Get Down and having you hang out. The weather's beautiful.
It is. This is the first year, right?
This is the very first year for the Global Get Down. First time that the Buffalo Chip has ever done a foreign bike only. And I keep saying, I'm like,
good turnout.
It is. Like 30-something motorcycles registered.
It looks like more than that.
They're probably, well, not all of them are registered. Some people just like, I don't want a trophy. I just want to put my bike out there and look cool. I'm cool with that. But I have to say, as like I've said, the kid who has the little Honda 350, built it in his backyard, he couldn't come to a typical show at Sturgis and park it next to a knucklehead and expect to win. But at the Global Get Down, listen, the underdog wins every time.
Yeah,
So
that was
I
great.
keep those guys inspired. So, do you ride?
I do.
What do you ride?
I have a 99 Sporty.
Nice. Okay. I'm not judging. I'm not judging. I'm like, if you're on 2 wheels, you're doing good.
It works.
It doesn't matter the name on the side of the tank.
Yeah.
So cool. Well, if you had one piece of advice for somebody who's never been to Sturgis and they want to come, what would you tell them to do?
Do the speed limit. Do the speed limit and put your feet down when you stop because they give out tickets left and right. Probably.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm gonna have. So I haven't really ridden since I've been here. We're going for a ride tomorrow. Go to see Mount Rushmore. Do all this stuff. So do the speed limit.
Do the speed limit.
And make sure when I come to a stop, I put. How can
Not to
you?
sound like a goober, but they are giving out tickets left and right here. So just be careful riding around Sturgis, Main Street, Deadwood area. Just be careful. Don't be an idiot.
Yeah, don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot. All right, well, folks, hopefully this isn't the only year we have the Global Get Down. So thank you to JMP for sponsoring, coming here, hanging out, giving away all the cool swag. So thank you for that. Now, I've got to go figure out which motorcycles are going to get awards. Is there any like ones you're like, I like that one?
I'm gonna walk around again. There are definitely some cool ones.
Well, help me a little bit. I'm not saying you have to pick, but like say, hey, have you seen this one?
Okay, I will.
Because there's so much to look at.
Yes,
Cool.
there is. There's some cool ones here. So,
Awesome. So Claudia at JMP Cycles, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We'll see you soon.
alrighty. Thank you.
Well, are they thinking about which one it is? Weems is out. Scouting it out.
This is the Jared Weems channel,
This is the Jared Weems channel?
but Whiskey Chaser has taken over.
But also Skittles McDiddles. What's up?
Also Skittles and Tittles. So we're here at the Global
Does
Get
this
Down.
have to be this close?
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. I'm not sure.
Are we doing this right?
So Weems is going around.
Yeah.
He's looking at bikes.
Yes.
He's doing his judging.
Yeah.
And our opinion doesn't matter.
I'm a little sad because I didn't see any money exchange.
Yeah.
I was
But
kinda hopeful someone could bribe.
If our opinion did matter,
Yes.
what is your what's your vibe? What's
that
your
one right
thought?
There. That one right there.
Which
the yellow
one?
The yellow one. It's gorgeous.
Oh, yeah.
So she pulled in and I was like, yes, all the yeses. I was like, I'm not judging it, but my God, if I did, this is so cool. She actually built this herself.
Yeah, this is a Suzuki 650 Savage.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Shay owned one of these. This is the same bike she owned.
Yes, yeah. And I hope she does something like this. I really do, because this is cool as hell. I love this.
It's a killer looking bike.
I love it.
It's great. I mean, she came out here. I saw her the other night. She was in another show.
Was she really?
Yeah.
I hope she won.
Yeah. So she's entering all the shows.
Yeah.
Oh, it was the choppers are stupid.
The choppers are stupid.
Yeah,
show.
stupid
That's
choppers.
great.
It was the one. It was the one that your boo put the Triumph
My
in.
boo boo. Yeah, that's great. I love it. So yeah, that's my vote. I mean, I love this. I think she did wonderful. That's it.
It's a good looking bike, man.
That's my vote. But I mean, bikes. Benelli. Look at it, Benelli.
The Benelli, dude.
My God, like
that's insane.
What the hell? This is why I like shows like this, because it's not just Harley. It's all things motorcycles.
Well, that's what's so cool, and I was talking to Bree about this, is like, besides like the Rebels, there's really not more than one bike that's like the same bike.
Agreed.
Normally you'd have like a million, Evo choppers that all have like a paint job, and you're like, okay, cool.
Yeah.
But every bike here is unique and different and wild and crazy.
I love this.
So like this green
Oh, hell yeah.
XS650 right here, right?
That's amazing. Yep.
That yellow bike right there
Yamaha
is the same bike. That's the same bike.
People are so creative. No, they're so creative,
Like
and I love
that
it.
to that. It's crazy.
So, what would be your pick?
The Yamaha Bolt, obviously.
Oh, duh.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
But if it wasn't the Yamaha Bolt, I really like this Passport.
Yeah.
I like that little Honda Passport right there.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
You don't see those, man.
And Jax, of course, is the little the little mini trail.
The little mini trail.
This thing's great. I would love to get one of these for my grandkids, because my God. Did you ever play on stuff like this when you were a kid?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Like this is what started us.
That's the
into the motorcycle world.
Yep.
So
these things are great, man. I love them.
all day long. I mean, obviously I can't ride anymore because,
Sure you could.
Sure.
Yeah.
I can put my left leg over. That's the scene of it. So. But
All this stuff is wild.
that's an emergency room visit right there.
Yeah. You ever seen a 4-wheeled motorcycle before?
No.
You have now.
Now I have. Here we are.
So you got all kinds of crazy stuff,
Yeah, no.
which is just, it's such a cool show.
Yeah.
I really, really hope that Sturgis Buffalo Chip will bring this back and do it again
100%.
because it's incredible. It's so much fun.
Yeah.
It's way different than anything else you see out there, and it's just a blast.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Get her done.
$100 for it. He's ridden it to Sturgis twice.
$100 motorcycle.
$100 motorcycle. He
Rode to Sturgis twice. From where?
Denver.
Denver.
400 miles each way.
I wish I could buy a $100 motorcycle and make it 10 miles down the road, you know?
Curtain.
But we had a good time.
Yeah, I think I pulled a butt muscle. It is sore back there. It is. I went to swing that bat and didn't let go. I just swung around with it. That first one, I was like, oh. Remember, you're not young no more.
It was a blast.
Yeah, but you know, most of those kids that we played with, I can't stand any of them. You know, so I was doing anything I could to hurt them, trip them, punch them in the butt. I don't care. Just a bunch of
Premium content. This is Jared's channel, by the way.
Oh, sorry. For all you guys that follow Mr. Weems, my channel may not be for you, or it may be exactly what you need.
Mine either. This is giving a little bit of an insight to what the other side is like, you know? The people who are the degenerates. Not like Mr. Weems, who's an angel.
So, he betrays. He's a little ornery too. Holy
It's a little wild. It's crazy.
Oh,
you know?
man, well, he's so damn smart.
Yeah.
You know? Well, thanks for tuning in to Weems Moto Co. If you don't know, he's a premier builder. I'm very proud to know him, and if you don't know him, you need to go meet him. Come out here. He'd love to talk to you. You're going to learn something when you walk away. Love you, brother. I love you.
This is my good friend. If you guys don't know him, he is the ornery one. He is the man that's making everything cool happen around the Buffalo Chip. Down at the Camp Zero, running mini bike races, doing all the crazy stuff. So if you haven't got down to Camp Zero, it's right out the main strip. Go down there on the left-hand side. Go check it out. All free good stuff. And give this guy some loving because he is all over social media. He is the influencer, the man. Him and his beautiful wife, Stephanie, the ornery one and the ornery squall. Follow them on social media. Hit them up. Check out their YouTube channel. Check out all the stuff they got going on. Thank you for being a part of this, TJ. Everybody give it up for the ornery one. Without further ado, I want to present some awards from my wonderful sponsors, Cardo, Built Well, James Cycle Supply, 73 Moto. They put together some amazing packages, along with folks like JMP Cycles. So, without further ado, we're going to give away some awards right now. Who's excited to get a trophy? Best vintage, because this is an original paint 1983 Honda Passport. Give it up for the Honda Passport. That is Kayla Valden. Best modern is going to, believe it or not, a 2025 brand new motorcycle from probably a company most of you probably never heard of, out of Italy, called Benelli, and that is going to the 2025 Napoleon Bobber, which is super rad. So come on up, guys. Best Asian is going to be going to a Yamaha XS650. There's several of those out there. Hold, wait for it. 1977 Street Tracker, that yellow and black rad little bike out there. That's something I would throw my leg upon and rip on that thing. So give it up for the Yamaha Street Tracker. So moving on from Best Asian to Best Euro. That is all of the bikes from the European conglomerate, which includes Britain, Italy, Germany, several countries that fall into that. And this is going to go to a bike that holds my heart, and that is a Triumph. And that is going to the 1973 Triumph Custom by Honda Strip Club Choppers. Listen, I mean, there's some good bikes out there. There's some good choppers out there, man. And I tell you what, it did not make it easy, which moves into the next class, which is Best Custom. Now, custom motorcycle to me is something that you have put your passion into. I don't care if it is a 2024 Honda V-Star and you change the grips on it. That's custom to me, man. I love it. We all love motorcycles. We all love two wheels, but this Best Custom is a super sweet motorcycle. It is a 1974 Yamaha chopper with an Amen frame, 4-cylinder chopper, shaft drive. Tell me when you can find another one of those. So give it up for Dallas Kerr and his Yamaha chopper right there. Without further ado,
Let's do it. Drum roll.
Best in Show for the Global Getdown. First time ever at the Buffalo Chip that a foreign motorcycle has won Best in Show, and that is going to a 1963 BMW R62 Bobber. Give it up for Steve. That sweet BMW.
Now this is, like I said, this is a brand new show. So tell us really quick, Jared, about this new show and your Best in Show winner.
For sure. So the Global Getdown Show is a show designed for those folks who don't have the funds or ability to have a Harley Davidson or an Indian. This is for all of the other brands out there. And this is Steve. He is our Best in Show winner. He brought out a 1963 BMW R60/2. Blew my mind. Beautiful bike. He bought it during COVID, built it as an opportunity for mental health, right? Super rad bike. So give it up for Steve, man. He did a great job.
Right on. Thank you for being here, guys.
Hi folks, we started it right here on this motorcycle with this big sexy man, and we're ending it right here with two sexy men, riding two up, doing it the right way at the Global Getdown. We thank you guys for hanging out. Do you have a good time, Jack?
I had a blast.
I had a blast, and I am going to have more time here at the Global Getdown next year. So make sure you make it out here to Sturgis. Check us out at the Buffalo Chip. If you guys are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up. Turn those notifications on and let everyone know what's going on right here.
Weems Motorco's the best. At Weems Motorco.